Bitcoin billionaires are expanding their contributions to Ukrainian to get $25 each. In just a few days, cryptocurrency donations, including Bitcoin, for Ukrainians and their army have soared. Welcome to my channel, and be sure to subscribe to ours so you don't miss any of our new videos. Following Russia's invasion of Ukraine, the cryptosphere has continued to organize. Donations of digital currency to organizations and the Ukrainian military are on the rise. According to the most recent data from blockchain analytics firm Elliptic, more than $5 million in Bitcoin has been raised since the invasion began on Thursday. Elliptic tweeted, "Cryptocurrency donations to the Ukrainian military are increasing. NGOs and volunteer groups in Ukraine have generated at least $5.1 million from 2,750 crypto asset donations following Russia's invasion of the country," the firm noted in a blog post published on February 26. According to the CEO of cryptocurrency FTX, a young millionaire who recently surpassed a market capitalization of $32 billion, the cryptocurrency exchange has given each Ukrainian the equivalent of $25 in cryptocurrency. "We just gave $25 to each Ukrainian on FTX," Bankman-Fried wrote on Twitter. "You have to do what you have to do." Volunteer groups have played a critical part in the Russo-Ukraine conflict over the last decade, Elliptic continued, and they are sometimes quite closely associated with the Ukrainian government. These groups are funded by individual donors who have donated millions of dollars using bank transfers and payment apps. But crypto assets like Bitcoin have also emerged as a significant alternative fundraising technique. According to the organization, donations are sent in cryptocurrencies, notably Bitcoin, because they allow quick, cross-border donations, avoiding financial institutions that may be blocking payments to terrorist organizations. According to Elliptic, let's continue to pray for peace. Thank you for stopping by to watch.